Hello and welcome to Asan Education. In this video, we will discuss about the significance of Gandhi's talisman for a civil servant and how it can help a civil servant to do administrative justice whenever he is dealing with the public at a large, and how this Gandhi's talisman can act as a catalyst in distributing administrative justice. So let us see. Explain the significance of Gandhi's talisman for a civil servant in pursuit of administrative justice. So we have to discuss the significance of Gandhi's talisman for a civil servant in a specific case of distributing administrative justice. So let us see what should be our approach to answer this question. We have to mention what was Gandhi's talisman in the introduction. Then we have to explain with example its relevant for a civil servant in relation to his or her personal and public life. So first of all, we have to tell what was Gandhi's talisman all about, and then we have to give examples and tell the relevance of a Gandhi's talisman for a civil servant in his or her personal and public life. So let us see what was Gandhi's talisman. Gandhiji said, whenever you are in doubt or when the self becomes too much, recall the face of the poorest and the weakest man and woman whom you may have seen, and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be of any use to him or her. Will it lead to Swaraj for the hungry and spiritually starving millions? Then your self will melt away. So what was Gandhi's talisman? Gandhi's talisman was that whenever you are framing a policy or when you are in facing an ethical dilemma, whenever you are in a doubt, when your self becomes too much, then recall the face of poorest or the weakest person or woman whom you have seen, and think about her, that whenever you frame a policy, whenever you take a decision, how it is going to impact that poorest man whom you have met. And once you think that your policies are going to make that hungry person get some food, shelter, then yourself will melt away and you will be able to frame the policies in a better way which will have a larger impact to the weaker section of the society. So Gandhi's talisman will always act at a lighthouse. It will guide you to frame policies, because whenever you are facing problem or whenever you are facing ethical dilemma, to frame a policy, you must recall the face of the poorest man or woman to whom you have faced, and you should think how this policy is going to impact the poorest man or weakest woman to whom I have seen. Okay, so now let us see how it can help a civil servant in distributing administrative justice. See, this Gandhi's talisman can help a civil servant in pursuit of administrative justice in the following way. How it will help civil servant to frame inclusive policies. A civil servant must make the benefit of government policies reach the most needful person, because when you are seeing the face of the weakest or the poorest section of the society, you will help the government policies to reach the weakest section of the societies. Gandhi's vision of Sarvodaya through Antyodaya can be only achieved when welfare policies are inclusive and well directive. So Gandhi's vision was that Sarvodaya, that is the upliftment of all, should take place, and it is only possible when the policies which are framed by a civil servant are inclusive. Inclusive means they should cover or they should think about the weakest section of our society and how this policy or how this program is going to impact the weakest section of the society. So the first benefit it will give to a civil servant in framing inclusive policies. The second, it will help in judicious utilization of the resources. All the public resources must be utilized in a fair and transparent manner. It is the duty of a civil servant to check underutilization and misappropriation of public fund. So this Gandhi's talisman will also help in judicious utilization of resources, because it is the duty of the civil servant to check underutilization and misappropriation of public fund. For example, public money spent on building unnecessary statues and park can be better utilized for the welfare of people. So we have to judicially utilize the resources. If we are spending money on building unnecessary statues and parks, that money can be molded towards the welfare of the poor sections, and the policies or the public resources must be utilized in a fair and transparent manner. So the second benefit would be judicious utilization of resources, and third will be special provisions for the marginalized. The Gandhi's talisman will also help a civil servant to think about the marginalized section of the society, because this Gandhi's talisman was talking about that whenever you are framing a policy, you should think about the marginalized section of the society, that how your policies and programs are going to help the weakest section of the society or marginalized section of the society. Okay, some more benefits. For example, a civil servant must ensure that the government offices are accessible for the differently abled sections. How they are going to benefit the marginalized sections of the society? Because the civil servant will always think that how my office will become efficient and how my office will become conducive for differently abled citizens, and he can make sure that there are separate and clean toilet for school girls, because we know that due to lack of girls separate toilet, the girls after attaining 8 to 10 years, they are not allowed to go to school due to the stigma which is associated with a girl. So a sensitive civil servant will understand the concern of the girls and will provide a separate girls toilet in a school, so that the enrollment of girls in the education sector increases and they can contribute to Indian economy in a better way. So, and how this will also help, this Gandhi's talismans will also help in motivating the staff as well, because civil servant may face the problem of unskilled and demotivated workforce in the government offices. There may be some of the inefficient workforce you are facing with, but it is the duty of a civil servant to make them realize that the efficiency of their work is important for delivery of public services to the last man standing. So you have to motivate the staff, and it will also help when you know the Gandhi's talisman, that you have to motivate them through telling Gandhi's talisman that yes, when you are at what level you are, if you perform your duty with honestly, you will be able to reach the benefit, or you will be able to reach the benefit of the policies and programs at the last section of the society, or at the weaker section, or to the marginalized section of the society. So this Gandhi's talisman will also help in motivating the staff, and it will also handling, this Gandhi's talisman will also help in handling continuous public criticism. As you know, civil servants are always under the public watchdog. Public is always constantly scrutinizing your actions. A civil servant must not take decisions which will benefit the poor. A civil servant should never stop taking the decision. A civil servant must not take always the popular policies, that no criticism should be done. A public servant should not stop taking the pro-poor policies and programs which will help the poor and downtrodden at a large scale. After some time, when the effect of that policy and program will be judged, that public servant will be praised as well. You can see a civil servant must not stop taking decisions which will benefit the poor and downtrodden, even though he or she has to face criticism for it. So Gandhi's talisman also helps on handling continuous public criticism, and tells us that a public servant should continue to frame the policies which must benefit the poor and downtrodden, even though he or she must face criticism for the same. Okay, some more things. It will also help in managing political interference in work, because you will be always interfered by the political masters, but you should not too down to their line. You should politely or humbly request or humbly ask if they are asking for some illegal work. So unnecessary transfer will take place due to political vendetta, and it may also deprive the public of the intended benefit of an officer's proposed policies. So you have to politely work with the political masters, and when you know that Gandhi's talisman, when you tell to political masters that this policy is framed on the Gandhi's talisman and it is going to benefit the most marginalized and weaker section of the society, your political masters will also understand your concern, and it will not lead to political vendetta, and your transfer will not take place frequently, and this will help the benefit reaching to the poorest section of the society or marginalized section of the society. And it will also help you managing in your personal life. How? Because you know the family of a civil servant has to face several challenges due to frequent transfer to remote places lacking even the basic infrastructure. Because you know, when you are doing your work honestly, you will face frequent transfers, and you must not be worried. You may go somewhere where basic facilities such as water is also not available, but you should not lose your hope. You should also, a civil servant should be motivated to work even in remote places and see it is an opportunity to develop better schools, hospitals and public spaces in such areas. See, Gandhi's talisman will also help in managing one's personal life, because when you are working honestly, you will be facing frequent transfers, but you should take it as an opportunity. When you are transferred to a place where you are facing that there is not basic facilities as such, but you should take it as a motivation, and you should provide Basic facilities such as better schools, hospitals, and public places should be cleaned. So you should take it as a motivation, but it is only possible when you know Gandhi's talisman that yes, whenever I am going to frame a policy, whenever I am going to take an action that should benefit the last section of the society, the deprived section of the society, marginalized section of the society. So in conclusion, what we can say? Hence, just as the preamble act as the key to our constitution, we know that preamble act as the mind of the makers of our constitution. Preamble is the preface to the constitution. Preamble act as the introduction to the constitution. In the same way as preamble act to the constitution, the Gandhian talisman act as a key to the soul of humanity. In the same way as preamble act as a key to our constitution, the Gandhian talisman act as a key to the soul of humanity. It holds immense value and provides such light in the darkest hour of moral dilemma for any civil servant. So in conclusion, what can we say? As preamble holds importance for Indian constitution, preamble is the soul of Indian constitution. It is a key to our constitution. In the same way, Gandhian talisman also act as a key to the soul of humanity, and it holds immense value and provides such light in the darkest hour of moral dilemma of any civil servant. Okay, so you can conclude in this way. So what we have discussed in this video, we have discussed what is Gandhian talisman. Gandhi's talisman tells us that whenever you are framing a policy or whenever you are taking a decision, you should think about the weakest people or weakest women to whom you have seen and how your policies are going to affect that poor man or poor woman. And we have also seen how it will impact or how it can help to distribute administrative justice for a civil servant. And in conclusion, what we have seen, what is the importance of this Gandhian talisman? We have seen that as preamble is important to our constitution, in the same way Gandhian talisman is the key to the soul of humanity, and it holds immense value, and it serves as a spotlight or searchlight in the darkest hour of moral dilemma. When we face any ethical dilemma, we should keep this Gandhian talisman in our mind. So I will conclude my video here, but before that, once again I will read this Gandhian talisman and you should listen carefully. Gandhian talisman says, whenever you are in a doubt or when the self becomes too much, recall the face of poorest and the weakest man or woman whom you may have seen, and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be of any use to him or her. Will it lead to Swaraj for the hungry and spiritually starving millions? Then yourself will melt away. Whenever you are facing any ethical dilemma in framing policies or taking any decision, you should always talk about Gandhian talisman, and it will give more weightage to your answer, and you will success in your career as well as in your life. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.